how to build a power lead system web page. I'm going to log in and just go through this in real time so you get a realistic idea of exactly how long it can take. You can literally build pages in as quick as a couple minutes. We have our new drag and drop editor, which you can use in create the web pages section. So again, let me just show you where I went to in your back office. Websites, and then hover over web pages, and then go ahead and click on copy web pages, or actually drag and drop editor if you want to use our new editor, or we still have our old editor, which also works very well. So I'm going to show you the drag and drop really quick, and then I'll show you our old editor too, because they both work extremely well. And our new editor that you see on the screen is actually still in beta. Okay, so to start building your page, you basically start dragging over blocks. Okay, they give you all kinds of blocks here. I'm going to make this quick as possible. So I'm going to actually click on all blocks. I'm actually going to scroll all the way down where it gives me pages that are already complete. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. If I can get that thing to move down. Okay. Scroll all the way down. And you can see at the bottom they have some pages that are already put together. So you just click it, you drag it, and you drop it. That's why it's called the drag and drop editor. And then you want to click on the text here if you want to change out the text here however you want. I'm just going to leave it the same. And you can remove chunks of text or chunks of the page that you don't like. If you click that pen, that edit icon button, you can go ahead, remove that whole section, delete block. All right. I could do the same thing for this section. I'm going to click the edit pen and remove. Now I just have the headline, and there you go. I could change this button, believe so. If I go into button settings, I can mess around with that. I can put in a different image. Okay, so you can customize anything you see on these pages. Then you always hit apply changes, and then you literally click save. But make sure you always select apply changes. Then it says saved, and then I would click on exit editor, and it's going to bring me to my back office. So I could put in the title of my web page, example. Okay. This section is what your visitors will see at the top of the browser's bar. I can do a little SEO, and I click save changes, and then I can hook it up to a subdomain. There you go. Click submit, and then that web page should be complete. It might bring me one more step. All right, choose your sales page. So I can select a page that they will land on. I'll go ahead and just select that one. Click save my choice. And now I can choose an email autoresponder. All I got to do is select which one I want. I could put in anything I want. And Power Lead System gives you a lot of campaigns done for you. So I'll just select that one. I'll click submit. Now I'm going to visit my new website. Find the freedom to live. They can enter their details and they'll become a lead that way. All right, so let's go over, and that's a very clean looking site. Let's go over to our old editor because our original editor is fantastic and it still works very well. It works super well. Most of my pages obviously are made with the old editor since I've been with Power Lead System for about 4 years now. But usually what I like to do is click on copy web pages. I like to copy a template that I like, and then it brings me to the editing section. And it's just really easy. So the landing page I've used to generate the most leads online has been lead capture number 2. So I could go here and select lead capture number 2, name and email, and I could scroll up or scroll down, click make me a copy. All right, and then it's going to bring me to this section where I can edit my web page however I want in here. Title, etc. Link it to a new domain. I'll put in a new domain example. So I love that feature where you can put in a subdomain and just create it on the fly and it just automatically works. You don't have to wait. It's awesome. I can put in my autoresponder campaign here in step 3. And step 4, this is where I put in my sales page, the page that takes, or the page my prospect goes to. I'll just leave it default, and then it goes into background. I'll go ahead and leave it the way it is, but if I want to change that, I could always change that. We also have video motion backgrounds, and you can put in your own video motion background too. Now it's going to bring me to edit the sales page text. Obviously, this is also any kind of page, so lead capture page too. So I can edit this however I want. If I wanted to change this color, I could change the text color. All right, if I wanted to obviously change the size, I could make this bigger text or smaller. I could make it, obviously I want to make it that small, but you get the point. All right. So I'm going to scroll down. I can take this timer out, this automatic countdown, or I can leave it in there. It's totally up to you. I'm going to click save, and I want to show you what this looks like. View your web page. There you go. It's all set up. Now, if I wanted to put in a neat background, I could select one of our 83 image backgrounds. All right, click submit. So we have money pics, we got nature, paradise, islands, oceans, city background. We got all kinds of different backgrounds. Car, a bunch of really nice looking backgrounds. I'm going to select this one. Looks nice and clean. And then I'm going to click save. And if I hit refresh, it's going to be edited. So there you have it. Our old editor and our new editor work both amazing. They're both super fast. They're both easy to use, and you can create all kinds of different landing pages, different funnels, different systems. All right, anything you want. Here's a couple more quick examples. I told you I like that landing page number 2. It's got me a lot of leads and sales over the years. Landing page number 2. Remember that. So anyway, if you want access to our amazing web page builder, go ahead to this link below the video. Sign up for our 7-day free trial. Give us a try. No obligation, 0 risk. If you want to cancel, you can cancel before your build. Otherwise, if you like us, just stay active and you're going to be part of the community. See you inside.